नमस्कार, मैं स्वप्निल तामनकर and welcome to Marine Geek YouTube channel. So let's begin with the first frequently asked question. So let's begin with the first query, which is your RUC course or RUT course. And the basic query was that when I'm going for the e-learning of this particular course for my COC revalidation of engineers, you can see in the refresher tab, and when I scroll down for the same revalidation, refresher and updating course or RUC, you will be able to see there are 3 different course IDs. Now this creates confusion. We will sort out this particular query right away. So this particular course ID 1118 is for those who already have 2010 STCW and now going to revalidate again an STCW 2010 COC. This is for those people who haven't upgraded their COC. It is still at STCW 1995. Mostly technical superintendents, vessel managers who left doing shore job and now want to return back for sailing, etc. And course ID 1117 is for the operational level COC holders on STCW 95 and who haven't upgraded their COC to STCW 2010. So mostly targeting the 4th engineers and 3rd engineers. So the next query was that even though I have the e-learning from STCW 95 to 2010, but who is conducting this course? I have found out that HIMT is conducting this particular course for engineers, at least the 11 days course, and you can see directly from their websites that they have clearly mentioned that REO course is there for STCW 2010 to 2010, and you have RUEO course clearly mentioned that it is for STCW 95 to 2010, and also the upgradation courses for your deck officers are also there. Upgradation course for masters is also there, and you can select and book now, and from 24th June the course is being started. So I've added this one more feature in making the checklist for COC revalidation documents checklist in order to reduce the confusion among the candidates. This is the checklist. Don't worry, the whole PDF file you can download from the link given in the description of this video. Please like the video if you haven't done so far. Let's go to the next query where to paste my COC revalidation sticker, and there is a circular dated 31st July 2017, engine circular number 139 of 2017, and if you scroll down you can clearly see over here in the circular it is clearly mentioned that you have to stick or paste the sticker on a blank page of the COC. I have also attached this particular circular in the link provided in the description of this video so that you can download it. So let's talk on the next query, that is open DG shipping website on an iPhone or an iPad, and I got 2 free apps, Lunascapes and Sleipnir browsers, and they are freely available on the App Store. So let's go to the Lunascape first, and then once you come inside the DG shipping website, you log in and you click on the update seafarer profile, and you can see the error that it requires Internet Explorer 9, and go to the setting, user agent, and select over here on top user agent, and then select Windows Phone, and then you can go back, close the settings, and the app automatically refreshes, and if it is not, just refresh it. And in the Sleepnare browser it is the same story. I will just fast forward it and update, same error. Go to the settings which is on the top, go to the settings, and the same thing over here is that you have to go scroll down, display web page as user agent, and select Internet Explorer 9. Come back, and then it will not refresh. No problem, refresh it again, and there you have it, it opens.
Please do like, share and subscribe. Stay safe, stay secure. Thank you very much.